welcome you all. I am Prashant Kalidas Kavle, working as assistant professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering of Kekiwak Institute of Engineering Education Research, Nasik. So the subject is hydraulics pneumatic, and today's topic is fluid power control. In that, we will study flow control valve. So flow control is one of the important control valve. So we'll see. So as per syllabus, we have to study DCV, direction control valve, FCV, flow control valve, PCV, pressure control valve, and there are some other valves related to this, such as check valve, prefill valve, servo valve, cartridge valve. So we'll see today flow control valve. So control the rate of flow of a fluid through a hydraulic circuit. For example, what is a fluid power? It's a pressure multiplied by flow. So if you control the flow, then the hydraulic power will be controlled. So typical applications include in regulating cutting tool speed, spindle speed, surface grinder speed, the travel rate of vertically supported loads moved upward and downward by forklift and dumping. So if you see in this, what are we are talking about? We are controlling the speed. We are controlling the speed. So whenever the speed control, speed is related to the flow, and flow will be controlled by the flow control valve. So function of FCV, regulate the speed of linear and rotary actuator. How? Velocity of piston is nothing but that is the continuity equation. Q is equal to area multiplied by velocity. So velocity will be covered by the flow, numerator and denominator. So if you control the Q, automatically velocity will be controlled. Velocity is directly proportional to the flow. If flow increases, velocity increases. Regulate the power available to the sub-circuit by controlling the flow through them. Just like this, power is equal to pressure multiplied by flow. Proportionally divide and regulate the pump flow through the various branches of circuit. Okay. So factors that determine the flow rate. So first of all, if you see the diagram in this is a double acting cylinder. This is the 4x3, 4x2 DCV, and then this is the reservoir, filter, pump, pressure regulator, and in between DCV and pump we place the flow control valve. So cross sectional area of a, what is a flow control? It is nothing but the orifice. Okay, so factors that determine the flow rate is depend upon the cross section of the area of a orifice, shape of the orifice, whether that shape is round cross sectional area or square or triangular, length of restriction, pressure difference, and viscosity of the fluid. So these are the factors. So the law that governs the flow rate, in front of you there is a characteristics, general characteristics of the flow control valve. Flow is directly proportional, okay, square root of pressure difference upstream and downstream. Classification of FCV: non-pressure compensated, pressure compensated, temperature pressure compensated. So non-pressure compensated, simple FCV, just you will see day-to-day basis on in your home, in kitchen, in bathrooms. So we are just controlling the flow rate. Now some requirement is that pressure compensated, upstream and downstream pressure should be most of the time downstream pressure should be constant, and sometimes when you are handling the liquid, that time due to the operating pressure temperature ranges, so viscosity changes. If viscosity changes, what is happening? Flow may be affected. So temperature pressure compensated. So non-pressure compensated flow control, just simple, just observe this figure. This is a pipe. In this pipe there is a hole, and the passage will be controlled by a needle. So if you see in first figure A, the needle is controlling the upstream and downstream, means it is closing. Now we have just opened this needle in a such a way that we have allowed the flow from upstream to the downstream, and now this is completely open. So this is restricted flow and this is completely open. Okay, so what is exactly the simple flow control valve? It is a straight line, then this round indicate the orifice, and what is this arrow indicate there is a variable control valve. Now non-pressure compensated is uh, just like this is simple, but it is restricted by one directional flow by a NCV, non-return wall. Okay, NRV. Okay, so in this, if you see, the flow is allowed from left hand side to right hand side, but the NRV does not allow the flow. But if the flow comes return, so if the flow control wall close, then that time this NRV will be allowed.